Hello you guys, welcome to this new series where we will try to learn how to make crochet stitches. We will start today with the easiest crochet stitch that you can learn. This is called the V-stitch. It's beautiful, easy and fun to learn. We will start by making the first slip knot. Then we will make 19 chains. Try to hold the 19th chain and add 4 chains. Then make 1 double crochet in the 19th chain that I have told you to keep a hold of. Then skip 2 chains, insert the hook in the third one, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, then another 1 double crochet. Now we add 1 chain and we add another double crochet in the same stitch. Again, we will skip 2 chains, insert the hook in the third one, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain and another 1 double crochet in the same stitch. We will keep following the same pattern till we finish the whole chain. Please, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel because I have more crochet stitches that I want to teach you and more crochet projects that I want to share with you on this channel. This is the last V-stitch. 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Now for the second row, I'm going to introduce another color. Then make 1 slip knot in the first V-stitch, chain 4, then make 1 double crochet in the same V-stitch. So for this whole row we will be making 1 V-stitch inside another V-stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet. Don't forget this pattern. A V-stitch is an easy way to make cool projects and cool crochet designs. It's easy, it's made of rows of V-stitches on top of rows of V-stitches. How cool is that? And of course, using different colors will make each V-stitch pop even more. Again, I'm going to introduce a third color. start by making a slip knot inside the first V-stitch. Then we will chain 4 and make 1 double crochet in the same V-stitch. Again, 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet in the same V-stitch. This is the pattern that you need to remember. I decided to start this series with the easiest crochet stitch, then move the more difficult ones at the end of this series. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel to learn more cool stuff. This is what a V-stitch will look like at the end of your project. You can use this V-stitch to make a scarf and whatever you like. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and remember, crochet is easy, crochet is fun, and crochet is a gift. Goodbye!